Chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. Today's topic is reproduction in humans. Male reproductive organs. The male reproductive organs include a pair of testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. Testes produce male gametes called sperms. This is the structure of human sperms. Millions of sperms are produced by the testes. Sperms are very small in size. Each sperm has a head, middle piece, and tail. Each sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. Female reproductive organs. The female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries, oviducts or fallopian tubes, and uterus. Ovary produces female gametes called ova or eggs. This is the structure of human ovum. In human beings, a single mature egg is released into the oviducts by one of the ovaries every month. Uterus is the part where development of the baby takes place. Egg is also a single cell. Process of reproduction. These are the steps of a process of reproduction in humans. Sperm and ovum fuses with each other. This is called fertilization. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote. Repeated division of the zygote, then development of an embryo, then embedding of embryo in the uterus wall, then formation of fetus, then baby is born. In fertilization. In human beings, fertilization is internal. Fertilization takes place in fallopian tube. When sperms come in contact with an egg, one of the sperms may fuse with the egg. Such fusion of egg and the sperm is called fertilization. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg or zygote. The process of fertilization is meeting of an egg cell from the mother and the sperm cell from the father. So the new individual inherits some characteristic from the mother and some from the father.